Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious Huevos Divorciados. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need eggs, refried beans, 3 Roma tomatoes, 6 tomatillos, 5 jalapeños or chiles serranos, 5 chile de árbol, 1/4 of a small white onion, 2 garlic cloves, a small handful of cilantro, oregano, black pepper, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by making our 2 salsas. So we're going to be roasting our tomatoes, tomatillos, chiles serranos, 2 garlic cloves, and our onion. And we're just going to cut the onion in half. So we're just going to roast them. And once everything's done, we're going to roast our chile de árbol. And you don't want to overcook your tomatillos, so just make sure that you keep an eye on them. So as soon as you see them turn color, just remove them from the heat. Alright, so once everything is nicely roasted, now we're going to remove them from the heat. So for our salsa roja, we're going to use our 3 tomatoes, 1 piece of onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 chile serrano. And the rest is going to be for our chile, for our salsa verde. So now we are going to lightly toast our chile de árbol. So I'm going to turn it off now because they do toast pretty fast and you don't want to burn them. And you're going to see them change color. So once they change color, they're done. So one's going to be for the salsa verde and 4 are going to be for our salsa roja. So now we're just going to wait for them to cool down a little bit so we can peel them. Alright, so for my salsa verde, I'm just going to peel the chiles serranos. Alright, so once we peel our chile serranos, now we're going to peel our tomatoes and chile serrano for our red salsa. Alright, so once we're done, now we are ready to blend. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by making our red salsa. So in my blender, I'm going to add my 3 tomatoes, the chile de árbol. There's already 1 in there. Our chile serrano, our piece of onion, garlic clove. And to that, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and salt. So now we're going to blend everything together until we have a smooth salsa. Alright, so once we have our salsa, we're going to transfer it into a bowl. Okay, so transfer it. And just add a little bit of water to your blender so you can get the leftover salsa. Okay, so now we're going to set it to the side and make our green salsa. Alright, so to make our green salsa, we're going to add our 4 chiles serranos, our chile de árbol, our tomatillos, a piece of onion, 1 garlic clove, our bunch of cilantro, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and salt. So now we're going to blend it all together until we have a smooth salsa. Alright, so once we have our green salsa, now we're going to transfer into a bowl. Okay, so transfer your salsa. And add a little bit of water just so you can get the leftover. Okay, so now we are ready to fry our salsas. Alright, so now we're going to grab a small frying pan. We're going to set it on medium heat. We're going to add about 2 teaspoons of oil. And we're just going to wait for that to heat up. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to add our salsa. Make sure you get everything. And we're going to cook our salsa for 5 minutes. So just wait for it to come to a simmer. And then you can try it for salt. Alright, so once the salsa comes to a simmer, we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. And just make sure that you move it around. Alright, so after 5 minutes, this is what your salsa should look like. Now try it for salt and see if it needs any. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to set it to the side. And since I'm going to be using the same pan for everything, I'm just going to transfer back my salsa into the same bowl. Okay. Alright, so now we're just going to repeat the same process to fry our green salsa. So I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of oil. We're just going to wait for that to heat up. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to transfer our green salsa. And now we're just going to wait for it to come to a simmer. Alright, so once it comes to a simmer, move it around and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Alright, so after 5 minutes, you want to try your salsa for salt and see if it needs any. For me, this is perfect, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. So now we're just going to set it to the side, and now we are ready to make our eggs. Alright, so now to make our eggs, we're going to grab a small frying pan. We're going to set it on medium heat, and we're going to add a little bit of oil. So now we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up, and then we can begin making our fried eggs. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to add our eggs. And we're just going to fry them. Alright, so now just cook your eggs according to your preference. Alright guys, so once our eggs are fully cooked, now we're just going to remove them from the oil. Drain as much oil as possible. And set it on your plate. Transfer it to your plate. Alright, so now for the fun part, dressing our eggs. So we're just going to top 1 egg with the red salsa. So just go all around your egg. Alright, so grab your green salsa and do the same to the other egg. And the salsas, you guys, are medium heat. Of course, you can always adjust it to your liking. But for me, this is perfect. You're still gonna be able to enjoy your eggs. And I didn't add no salt to the egg just because we already have all the flavor on the salsa. And I'm going to serve it with some refried beans. And queso fresco. Okay. Serve it with chips and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. So I already cut up my piece of egg. I'm already drooling. Get some beans in there. Seriously, it's super delicious. So flavorful. Both sausages, you guys, are the best. Everything is just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious huevos divorciados. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete, de la forma que tú ves.